Start.
Now we are going to discuss a little bit about the special status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which is currently in use because of the Article 370. As per the Article 1 of the Constitution of India, Jammu and Kashmir is mentioned as a state of India, and it has got no special status as per Article 1. It is the Article 370 that gives it special powers. What are the special powers of the state of Jammu and Kashmir? The first very important thing that we should mention here is the state of Jammu and Kashmir has its own constitution, unlike any other state in India. The residual powers mentioned in Schedule 7, which has got three headings. One is the state list, the second is the union list, and third is the residuary powers. Third is the concurrent list, and the fourth is known as the residuary powers. As per the state list, the items that were mentioned in the state list are under the exclusive jurisdiction of the states, and the power to make laws in any of these items mentioned in the state list belongs to the legislature of the particular state. As per the union list, the items mentioned, the powers to make laws is vested onto the Parliament of India. In terms of the concurrent list, both the state legislature and the union, the Parliament are empowered to make laws if there is a conflict between the law made by the union and the state. It is the union law that prevails. Now, all those items which are not mentioned in any of these three lists are known as the residuary powers. When it comes to any other state in India, the residuary power belongs to the Parliament of India. But as per Article 370, the residuary powers of Schedule 7 belongs to the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly when it comes to their own state, which is a very important aspect of Article 370. Third is any preventive detention law that is made by the Indian Parliament is not applicable to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, unlike any other state where preventive detention law has effect on all the 28 states in India other than Jammu and Kashmir. Fourth, the President of India has no power to suspend the constitution of the state. That means the President of India cannot impose an emergency in the state and suspend the legislature of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. When it comes to international treaty, if there is a treaty in which the state of Jammu and Kashmir needs to give away a part of its area to some other country, then it needs the consent of the state legislature of the Jammu and Kashmir, which is unlike any other state in India. Suppose if there is an agreement between the government of India and the government of Bangladesh, which says that Assam, the state of Assam, has to give away part of its territory to Bangladesh, then the Assam legislature has got no say into it, whereas the state of Jammu and Kashmir has got the power to say no to it. And the last very important point, as per Article 370, is that amendment of the Indian Constitution. Whenever there is an amendment in the Indian Constitution, it applies throughout India. But if it needs to be applied in Jammu and Kashmir, then it needs to be given presidential order in which that amendment of the Constitution will be extended into the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Without this presidential order, any amendment of the Indian Constitution is not applicable in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.